This lab was simple. Our goal was to see how far a rubber band would go based on the angle it was shot at and the force behind the launch. We completed this in the hallway in order to be free of any people walking by or obstructions that would get in the way of correct measurements. As you can tell from the pictures, the lab setup was quite easy. Once we gathered our materials, we simply set our cannon at 30 degrees, which is the angle my partner and I chose, and ready to launch. We launched from 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35 centimeters of force to better get an idea of how much the effect the force had on the distance the rubber band flew. Our rubber band flying distances did depend on the force, as you can see in this picture, as well as the chart that follows. As you can see, the data was relatively stable and only changed based on the different forces. If I was to use this lab in my classroom, I'd make sure to focus on having those with a little more ability in science paired with others that maybe not so much. The material list is simple. It's simply the rubber band cannon, rubber band, and some pencil and paper to mark your observations and whatnot. For my ELL and gifted students, I would keep it pretty much the same because they could do it in the hallway away from other people. And then for gifted, I'd maybe have them see how high the ranking could go as compared to just how far. So yeah.